Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Erica, and today we'll be cleaning all day, starting with decluttering this closet. I'm going to show you what I'm making for dinner, clean the kitchen, and then later on I'm going to fold laundry before bed. There's tons of motivation for you in today's video, so I hope you get something done from your list along with me. Make sure to subscribe, and let's get straight into getting this closet back into shape. Most of what is overfilling this closet has made its way from downstairs and other rooms in the house, so I'm taking those items out so that I can take them back upstairs. I still have this big mess that needs to be put away, but we're hungry and I'm going to take a break to make dinner. What are you having for dinner today? This is another recipe that was inspired by Michaela Cabral. I love enchiladas but never make them, and this was inspired by her video to make them. I'll leave that video linked in the description box below. I love all of her recipes that I've tried, and she is the sweetest.
Does to my heart, not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, the light poets to me. You getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain. You're new to me, I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, the light poets to me. You getting into my brain, I feel emotional. into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
The enchiladas tasted great, and this is how I served them for the girls.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you?
Now that I've finished cleaning up the kitchen after dinner, I'm going to finish the closet as quickly as possible before we have to start getting the girls ready for bed.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely said. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely said. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round. It got me spinning round. It got me spinning round. heart so we can make it right without a fight. You know, no, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. You got me spinning round, round. 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 Another broken plate, another called up.
When I wash seats, if I can't fold them right away, I try to hang them so they aren't too wrinkled.
Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels.
I hope this video gave you some inspiration to work on your to-do list, and I'm so glad you spent some of your time with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.